Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your iPhone keeps suggesting wrong words, misses your costume names or slangs, or autocorrect feels off, you may need to update or reset the keyboard dictionary. Okay, so in iPhone settings 2026, Apple lets you refresh the keyboard dictionary so productions learn again correctly. Okay, so in this guide I will show you step by step how to update the keyboard dictionary on your iPhone in 2026 like a pro. So first thing first, important to know, there is no manual update button for the keyboard dictionary. Instead, you update it by resetting the dictionary, letting iOS relearn your typing habits, managing text replacement, syncing via iCloud. Okay, so first thing first I want you to do is tap in settings. Okay, scroll down and tap general. Now tap transfer or reset iPhone. Okay, so this is where keyboard dictionary receipt lives. Okay, so we said this one. So tap receipts. Do not choose erase all content and settings. Tap reset keyboard dictionary. Select reset keyboard dictionary. As I said, enter your iPhone passcode to confirm. And once reseated, learned words are cleared, mistyped words are removed, autocorrect starts fresh, keyboard relearns your typing. Okay, so this doesn't delete data, messages or apps. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.